up. I swear, I'm done. I'm done. I give up. You might have noticed there wasn't a video for a while, and by a while I mean at least, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks, and that's because, well, this thing sucks. That's why. I spent the better part of the past 2 weeks doing 2 things. Studying for my real estate course, which thank you very much for asking. I did pass the exam. Studying and trying to figure out what's wrong with this thing. Every day over the past couple of weeks, nothing but reading and listening to webinars and all that good jazz. But in my free time, I was down here diving into this thing to try to figure out what's wrong with it. And it's, at this point, it's honestly beyond me. So I don't really know what else to do. I'm probably just gonna try to find a shop to take it to and get it diagnosed so they could tell me what's going on with it, because I think it's just beyond my expertise at this point. And instead of just wasting the next 1.5 years trying to figure out what's wrong with this thing, I'm just gonna bite the bullet and pay a professional to do it. Somebody that actually knows what the hell they're doing. So in today's video, we're gonna be working on a Volvo. Not this one specifically, we are gonna be doing one little thing to it, but my friend Dan's actually coming over for the second time this week to do his AC compressor. We actually successfully did his AC compressor a couple of days ago, but it fixed absolutely nothing. The clutch was seized in the one that we put in. It wasn't a brand new unit. We actually bought a used one, so I guess that's what we get for that. So he's just gonna come over in a few minutes and we're gonna throw in a brand new AC compressor in, and hopefully that fixes it, because holy crap, it's hot here in Connecticut over the past couple of weeks. Today I think it's gonna be around 100 degrees. In the garage right now, it's a little bit cooler, but it's probably about 90 degrees right now. So I'm probably just gonna open up these doors before he gets here, because it's insane right now.
Sounds like a harmonica.
What is it? Fantastic. See, talk shit about my projects, I can drive them out of my garage. Yours, we usually gotta push them.
Did you fix that?
Hell no, I didn't fix that. Got the belt on. Now it's just time to put everything back together, load the system, and hopefully it works. This actually didn't go too bad. Besides the belt, I want to say, right? Everything went pretty smooth. Now we sit here for 2.5 hours doing this. Doing this. It's fixed. Fantastic. It's actually cold inside the car for the first time since he's ever owned it, so nice. Hopefully stays that way. With our luck, I'm not gonna say anything. Hopefully stays that way. It's so nice in here.
I don't know if I want to say it. Oh my god. We run the cars today? Like from a 40 on the highway?
Yeah.
I got nothing to do.
I got nothing to lose. I mean, I'm gonna lose. It's so nice in here. It's not 1,000,000 degrees. Sounds like a little V10. It's great.
Uh-oh. It's getting warm.
Is it really? Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Bad fan clutch.
Oh no.
Come on, Terry. Maybe it was the comfort button. I don't know. All I wanted was a week of nice things. You can have that.
Not working at all, actually. Holy shit. I'm so mad now. I really thought we did it. I was so happy. I thought we fixed something and didn't break anything while we're at it, and we didn't fix anything. We just wasted 2 hours of our lives. All right, so while this thing cools down, we're just gonna go run to AutoZone real quick, pick up some Freon, because we ran through, what, 3 bottles last time we did it and nothing, so just gonna get some more bottles.
Nice $100 bill.
Yeah, nice $100 bill for Freon. This is the new compressor. A lot better than this old thing that it's spinning, but hopefully that fixes the problem. But for now, AutoZone run. I didn't record anything during the AutoZone run just because it was hot as balls and we did nothing but just sweat and tears. Just gonna get this party started to take everything apart. He's trying to get to the AC compressor, the worst place that Volvo probably could have put this thing in. So I'm just gonna get started on the intake, and hopefully this actually fixes it this time.
the leftover of the first one. This gauge, that gauge is broken. This one took this easy, you know?
Almost there.
Full for now.
It's full, but then again, it was full last time too. And it worked for a whole, I don't know, maybe 7-8 minutes total, and then it just stopped blowing cold, so. But that was with a used compressor. So, this is a brand new one, so I'm thinking that might actually fix the problem.
Car, see how it feels.
Oh, it's nice in here. It's nice. Oh man, this feels fantastic. Woo! Holy air conditioning, I love this. Well, hopefully it stays that way. She blowing.
Is it good?
That's good.
Alright, kill it with it.
Who would have thought these are the same car, right? Literally, there's, I don't know, nothing separating these two. I pulled on him the first time, he pulled on me the second time. So yeah, they're the same. We knew that, they're the same exact car, and yes, same exact thing. So, are you surprised?
You have 200,000 miles.
You have 170,000 miles.
Yeah, Ford Ranger.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
All right. He's complaining that I have less gas than he does. Now, that is true. And that does make a difference, but really, how much of a difference does it make? We're driving the same car, man. I'm not really sure exactly what happened, but we think Dan might have blown a turbo hose somewhere. It's just not going into boost at all. We did, I don't know, maybe 3 to 4 pulls, and you know, it was fine. And then we did the last, oh, there's a cop. Hopefully he's not coming for us. Let's just hang out here in the left lane, in the right lane. But yeah, that would kind of suck if we actually broke his car. The same day we fixed the AC, so let's see how it goes. Oh, that explains a lot, actually. Charge pipes is not connected to shit.
Yep, that'll do it.
That will do it. All fixed. Pretty successful day, I would say. We fixed the AC, didn't break anything else, and then we broke something temporarily, and then we fixed it very easily. So, pretty good day. Pretty good day. Also, nice VinWiki shirt. Maybe we'll get more people to watch us. You think that's a thing?
Sponsored.
Sponsored by VinWiki? Hey, Ed. Bye, Dan. Well, now that that's out of the way, and this thing is looking complete now with the gas cap in place, I still really have to fix this right here. I actually broke the wiper arm when I was replacing the blade itself, so I just have it zip tied right now. I just haven't bought the new part. They're not really that expensive, but I hear online they're kind of a pain in the ass to do. It works fine. Everything works, so I don't really care. But with that out of the way, I did want to go ahead and swap the intake in the Volvo today, but I don't know. I'm just really tired. It's really hot out today, and that just kind of took the wind out of me a little bit. So I'm still going to put this in this video, but it's going to be a completely different day, so don't mind if I just show up next time wearing some different clothes. See you in a bit. It's a little windy for sure, but I think it's gonna get the job done. I drove this car for, I don't know, maybe an hour or two. Definitely got it up to temperature. And then I really want to do the intake today. So I don't want to, I mean, this is probably, it's probably fine. But I'm gonna leave this like this because I still have to clean the old intake. I haven't done that yet. So while I do that, I'm just gonna leave those fans running. Hopefully the engine will be, well, not 100% cool. It's not gonna be, but it's gonna be at least cool enough for me to work on it. So just give it a few minutes. Should be okay. Everything's drying in the sun. As soon as that dries, we'll be able to just put the oil, we'll apply the oil to the actual filter itself, and then we'll be ready to go. So, what do you think? Looks a lot better, doesn't it? Huh? Yeah. You can't really tell, but there's like a pinkish hue to this now because of the oil that I use, but still, pretty decent looking, huh? A lot better than the stock intake, that's for sure. See if we can actually tell any difference in sound. I can almost guarantee we will, because I remember that sounding quite a lot better. Just the intake sounds, obviously. It's not going to change anything as far as the exhaust goes, but it does make some pretty nice turbo noises with the intake on. Easy, no problems. I had all the parts and everything, so I knew I wasn't going to have any problems. Just an intake job. You know, it's me, so you never know. I always break shit. So I'm just going to take it for a drive now. Hopefully no coats come up, nothing, and we'll go from there. So far, I don't think I broke anything. I probably picked the absolute worst day to shoot a video, didn't I? I really hope my GoPro didn't fall off the back. I kind of regret putting it back there right now. Sounds pretty good. Well, everybody, and I think this might be goodbye. And it might be goodbye for actually quite a little bit of time. I'm leaving to go to Brazil for 3 weeks, leaving in 2 days. So when I'm down there, I'm doing a track day, and I'm definitely gonna do another tour of the garage that I think was the second video we released on the channel. I'm gonna do another walkthrough of that garage. We're gonna do another track day. So there is a little bit of content that we're gonna get from there. I'm gonna try to generate even more than that. But as far as the Volvo goes and the Subaru, that stuff's gonna have to wait at least a month because I'm gonna be leaving in 2 days. I'm gonna be down there for 3 weeks. Then I have another trip scheduled 9 days after I come back from Brazil. So it's gonna be a pretty tough couple of months as far as videos go. So just hang in there with me. I'm gonna try to do my best to get you at least some content. Probably nothing while I'm in Brazil because I highly doubt that I'm going to have access to an editing computer while I'm down there. But with that out of the way, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and all that good jazz. And I'll see you next time.